While most people think of large floats on St. Charles Avenue and plastic beads, for locals, the true start of the carnival season begins officially with the Joan of Arc parade through the French Quarter. After a community vigil service at the cathedral to honor the victims of the January 1st Bourbon Street attacks, we took our favorite spot outside the cathedral to watch the parade. The Joan of Arc procession chronicles the story of her short life. Joan of Arc, the Maid of Orleans, is the namesake of New Orleans, and each year the walking procession takes place on Twelfth Night, January 6th, which is also when her birthday is celebrated. The parade is 15th century themed with medieval costumes and music, and spans her time as a warrior, her trial, her execution, and finally, her legacy. Joan of Arc has always been my very favorite walking parade, and I feel like it really embodies the spirit of New Orleans and the French Quarter. The next morning, Patrick went on a mission to find king cake, since it is now officially king cake season. Dong Phuong, a Vietnamese-owned bakery, is a favorite amongst locals. We got the pecan-flavored king cake. I am not a king cake expert, but I personally felt it lived up to the hype. It was so good. I will dream about that king cake all season long. The next parade to walk the streets of the French Quarter is Krewe Mosaique. This is a newer parade formed 2 years ago. The Krewe promotes itself as a mosaic of art, culture, and community. And while it is still a small little walking parade, I absolutely love how artistic and creative it is. the interesting things about these special French Quarter parades is that no motor vehicles are allowed, so people build contraptions using wagons and pedicabs and other rolling things. These parades are also low impact for the environment in comparison with the larger crews that roll in other parts of town. They discourage unnecessary plastic waste and instead promote small handmade throws in the spirit of artistry and individuality.